kill the healer. What the fuck?
Kan kami, grabe.
The granat. Wait.
Maganda yung
Keep rolling.
Huwag kayong magagalit kapag
Kill the healer.
Pag nag-root bound ako.
Keep
kasi
focusing
di
the healer. Brawl the healer. Keep brawling the healer. Kill inside the Judy. Keep brawling. 2 seconds. I have engaged at 2 seconds. Now I have engaged. Wait. Hold the healer. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the healer. Kill the fucking healer. Kill him. Kill him. Kill this guy. We need ano. Night helmet. We need night helmet. 3, 2, 1. Drop na sa healer. Heal. Kill the healer. What the fuck? Kill them all. Keep rolling the healer. Okay, kill the fire stop. Going to die. Now kill the healer. Look for the healer. Just the healer. 2 seconds I have engaged. Kill us inside the Judy. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Ah shit, wait. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Drop. Kill him. Kill the healer. Kill the healer. If we can kill the healer, we can rush them. Okay, keep rolling. Okay, I'm gonna silent him. Now kill them all. Kill Pepengu. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill Pepengu. You're gonna die, dude. Ah, he's still alive. Now keep hitting him. Roll him. Now he's gonna die. Kill Pepengu. Now kill the fire stop. 2 seconds, I have engaged. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill this, please. Kill this. Kill them. Now kill the low. Kill him. Nice one.
Ed, pag low na ako, heal mo naman ako. Full sila
Hindi.
even. Sila pa rin hinihil mo kanina. Hinahabol na kita. Yung prutas ko lang nag-heal sa akin. Sobrang hina ng heal part. Pag na-engage yan,
Hindi, dying kasi sila sa harap.
Kapag
CD yung
Smart guys.
pag na-engage yan ka, Ed, hinuhulugan kita ng armor tsaka root
Wait
bound.
lang.
Uy,
Okay.
Nabi,
Kaya
what the
sila
fuck? I told you, go to the mid. You're not
Dahil sa
listening.
iko. Naian ko sila.
Go to Nabi. What the fuck? You're not listening, bro.
Kaya sila na full.
Tabak. 3, 2, wait. Nabi, ano ba yun? Panalo ni. Nanalo pa eh. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. I'm gonna silent the healer, ah. I'm gonna silent the ano. Now, Giganti. Use your Giganti. Now, kill the healer. Don't panel. Go back. Don't panel. Go back. Inside us, 3,
Panel.
2, 1. Drop now. Inside us. Kill them all. Nabi, abuli mo yan. Go back, everyone. Go back. Everyone, go back.
Dying sila dito yung...
Go back, everyone. Go back. We have engaged on 3. Inside us on 3, 2, 1. Drop now. If you have drop now. Now go back.
Go.
Keep kiting.
I debuff.
Okay, nice. Debuff. Now kill this guy. Don't walk to the fire. Kill us inside the Judy. Come. Go to the choke, guys. Come down. Guys, come down. No, you're not listening. Come down. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Drop now. If you have. Drop now. Drop if you have. Dropping. Keep dropping. Go back now. Go back. Everyone go back. Go back now. Okay, go back, bro. Out. Go back now. Kill this guy. Kill hotdog. 3. Wait. Go back now. Let them...
Nice.
Everyone mount up. Everyone mount up.
I
And
can't
then we
mount
go
up.
to the mid lane. Come. Just keep brawling the
I
healer.
drop lang.
Then if we see the Because this Dapper is getting low by B. We're going to kill him instantly. Don't cap.
I'm spamming, la. I'm spamming, bro. You don't see?
Wait now, wait now. Just let them come, 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 let them
I'm
come.
taking this.
Nahiga na yung
Let them come.
Guys,
Just let them come. We
even
can kill
even
that
just
time. 10
focus on
minutes,
healer.
10 minutes left.
Focus
Let
on
them
healer,
come, let
just
them
focus
come.
on healer, huh?
Let
Wait,
them
wait, wait,
come,
just
let them
focus on
come.
healer, bro.
Just
Heavy
let
is
them come.
too hard
We're
with that
fighting the
healer
mid.
thing.
We're fighting at the mid. We're fighting at the mid. Okay, right now. Wait, it's a fake. Wait, wait, wait. Let them come. Okay, walk. Walk now, walk now, walk now, walk now.
Walk healer, walk healer, walk healer,
Sailor
walk
ah.
healer.
Okay, 3. Sailor ah, Sailor. 3, 2, 1. Drop now, 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 drop now. Kill them all, 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 kill them all. Now, kill them all, kill them all, kill them. Finish the low, finish the low, finish the low. Finish the low, finish the low. Kill the low, kill the low, kill the low, kill the low. 8 seconds, we have engaged. 8 seconds, we have engaged. 8 seconds. Don't walk to the fire, don't walk to the fire, don't walk to the fire. 3, 2, at the back, 3, 2, 1, drop now at the back, 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 at the back. Look at Sixus, look at
Yeah, I know, I
Sixus.
know.
Kill him, kill him. Look at Sixus. Look at him, look at him. Getting low, getting low, getting low. Wait, keep rolling in the guy. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Keep Sixus, keep Sixus. Kill him, kill him. Okay now, they are all die. Go back there.
Nice.
Now, everyone mount up, everyone mount up. Ayun, 250. Pwede.
Even kasi
Everyone, let them come, let them come.
Let's all sleep, brother.
Oh, kasha. Okay, wait. Just hold, just hold, just hold.
that is respect.
Ito na, boss, itong red. Oh, kasha yan. Kasha. Wait, just hold. Let them come, let them come. Let them come. Ah, okay.
Looking sila, looking,
Okay,
looking.
get ready, guys. Get ready. Let them come inside, then let them come inside. Let them come inside. We can kill the time. Just look at the time, bro. 8 minutes left. Don't greedy, guys. Let them be greedy.
I think they're going to the
We will kill the healer, or the fire staff.
Yeah,
Wait.
Oh, ignore the
Don't
fire
panic,
stuff.
don't panic.
Not dealing
Everyone,
damage.
don't panic. Everyone, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic.
Ignore stuff, ignore fire
Don't
stuff. I think
panic,
it's
don't
better to
panic,
ignore
don't
fire
panic.
stuff. Not me. We have late healing everyone.
Yeah,
Hmm?
let them come.
Late will sustain us. Don't worry about fire stuff. Just
Loxy, if
fucking kill that
you
heal.
got 3 stuck by car stuff, just walk away, ah. Okay na, walk now. Walk with them, walk with them, walk with them. Walk
Go,
with
go,
them.
go.
Okay, 3 drop now. Ah,
Oh
shit.
my god.
Wrong drop. Wait. Okay. Kill the fire stop. Kill the fire stop. Kill the fire. You can kill the fire stop.
He can't sustain, he can't sustain, he can't sustain, he can't sustain.
Okay, wait now. Sige na, sustain ah. Okay,
Oh,
wait.
wait, I have.
Keep rolling the fire stop ah. Okay, fire stop. Go na, fire stop. Kill. 3,
Mana, Silox,
2,
mana.
wait, 3, 2, 1, drop now. Fire stop. Kill this fire stop. Oh shit. Now, giganti now. You cannot sustain the fire stop. You cannot sustain the fire stop, bro. You're gonna die.
Oh my
Dude.
god, what is this?
You're gonna die. 3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds, we have engaged.
They're grabbing
3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds. I have engaged now. Do you have... Tell me cool down.
No, wait, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5
2,
seconds, 5 seconds.
1,
Wait,
drop
wait, 5 seconds.
now. Ah, shit. Heal inside the Judy.
Healer.
CD.
Hold on, bro, hold on. Walk away.
Killer died.
Walk now, run.
Bro, I'm telling you, just fucking focus on the healer, bro. He's sustaining too much. The first half is not doing anything. First half is not doing anything.
Doon sa
Yeah,
curse,
but
doon
look at his
sa
skill.
curse
Bro,
spell
look at
nila.
his skill.
No.
Look at
Yung
his
curse
skill.
spell,
Look at
yung
his skill,
circle,
bro.
yung
Look at the
inang...
skill of healer. He just sustaining himself, bro.
Sorry.
Okay, let's try to kill the blight. Let's try to kill the blight. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Ibaw mo nga yung ano, ibaw mo yung tawag dito. Ibaw mo yung fire or curse. Walang heal dahil dun sa
Sorry,
dalawa.
For the DPS, forget about the DPS. Because the DPS after we kill
Silence.
healer.
Walang heal yung first tsaka
Okay, let's
second
go.
na edit sa dalawang ano,
Wait,
Just-
let's wait, Bane.
na staff.
Wait, let's wait, Bane. Let's wait, Bane. We dismount here, ah. Dismount here. Let's wait, Bane.
Kahit silence mo lang isa sa kanila, mananalo tayo.
Okay, guys. Wait to my cooldown, ah. 6 seconds. We have 2 Judy. I'm gonna use 2 Judy.
I
Okay,
can
come, everyone, come.
for
Let's walk.
Judy.
Let's walk now.
Focus on healer, huh? Focus on healer. Just focus on healer. That's all.
Oh, just walk now, walk now, walk
After
now.
the healer uses boots, engage on him. After healer uses boots, engage on him. That's it.
Okay, copy.
Wait for him to use his boots.
Already
After
market
that,
teacher up, ah. Already market
I'll
teacher up,
beat
ah.
his boots. I'll beat his boots. Huh?
So keep rolling in. Having gauge on 3. Wait, 3.
Wait.
Wait. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Wait. Dropping Judy, ah. Wait. 3. Wait. Can you hold? Kipi, can you hold the healer? Can you hold the healer? 3, 2, 1. Drop na. Kill the healer. Shit. Just run away. Wait. Kill the healer. Post the healer.
Oh my god,
healer.
why did I do that?
I told you guys, if we cannot kill the healer, look at his skill for him, only for himself. 3, wait. We need night armor, we need night helmet. We have engaged 3, 2, 1. Drop na sa healer. Kill the healer. Ah, kita mo pre, hindi natin mabilis. Told you guys, go back now. Heal the back line. Guys. See the back lane. I'm gonna stand him. I'm gonna hold them. Okay, run now. Heal us. Don't panel, guys. Don't panel.
EP, wag ka na bumalik.
Change your build, Tawag na ito.
Wait,
Kipi.
mag-ano ako,
I mean, sino ba to? Si Bane.
Mag-guardian helmet.
Change your build. We need night helmet. Sino naka-guardian helmet dyan? Kung gusto nyong i-walk talaga yun, ay, ako na lang. I-walk natin yan. Sige, i-walk natin yung healer nila. Ano yan? Sige, cultist ka. Go cultist.
Set ako ng mana. Naubusan ako ng mana ka-heal sa inyo. Wait
Okay,
lang.
wait.
I think we need fake engage on the heat.
Kipi, dismount ka dito, pre.
Back.
You guys already good?
Wait for healer. Healer not there.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Seconds, ha? Wait.
Wait.
Pwede yung curse stop din. Oh, dito.
I-bait ko muna yung ano.
Kill Pepenguan, 3, 2, pigil Pepengu, 3, 2, 1, drop na, kill this guy. Okay, walk with them. Now. Giganti, use the Giganti. Kill Pepengu. Okay, kill the healer now. Post the healer. Kill Citarap. Kill him.
I have
3, 2, 1, drop na. Kill the shit. Please, factory may bad. Kill Citarap. Kill him. Kill him.
I need it.
Okay. Inside the Judy. Okay, kill the healer. 5 seconds, we have engaged. Keep holding. Hold the healer now. 3, 2, 1, drop now. Kill the healer. Now, he got low. Kill the healer. Kill the healer. Nice one. Now, feed them all. Finish the low. Kill hotdog, kill hotdog, kill hotdog. Tusukin niyo yung hotdog. Putang ina ng hotdog ka.
Come east, come
Kill hotdog, kill hotdog. Shit, hold him, hold him, hold him. Can you hold him? Nice one, nice one. 3, 2, 1. Drop now.
Nice one, nice one.
Nice one. You gonna die. No one's gonna escape here. No one's gonna escape. No one's gonna escape. Now go back to the mid. Go back to the mid.
20 seconds,
back to
20
the
seconds.
mid, go. Everyone,
GG,
mount up, everyone. Mount up, everyone.
Jesus.
That was a nice fight. Now, come to daddy. Let's
How
go.
many fight is this?
3. Best of 3, best of 3.
Oh.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice
One more,
one.
one more.
One more.
One more.
We can easy pack them, bro. Don't worry. Big balls, big balls. Nag-ready siya si Pepengo eh.
Oh.
Ang layo ng healer niya. Yun, nasustain siya ng healer niya.
Damn.
Di ba? Evil. Di ba pag nag-engage ka, nagda-dash out pa rin yung healer nila.
Oo, hinihila siya pre. Hindi, pagkastang ko, hahatakin siya kapag tinusok ko ng W.
Oh, can you go night helmet, bro?
Pwede
Can you go night helmet?
Yeah, I already
Easy.
have net helmet.
I-fake ko muna siya, magda-dash tapos hila ako sa kanya.
Yeah, we need to
Hindi,
bait his
hinihila
dash.
siya ng tawag nito, nung isa sa kanila.
Serot bang data?
Oo, yun.
Oo. Sayang, hindi man lang natin
Stun, no.
nabigyan sila.
Stun this time. Putangin na mo.
You guys ready? You guys ready? Kifi? Okay, ready. Let's go. Let's end this, guys. Big balls. Pagaba ko. Sige, sige.
Hindi ako maka-rootbound ng maayos. Kapag naka-rootbound ako, huwag kayo dumikit sa gitna ko mismo. Dinadrapan tayo tapos naka-cancel rootbound ko minsan.
Kasi,
Sa lupa. Basta sa loob lang kayo ng rootbound pero wag sa gitna mismo. Pag
Can we fake engage on the healer? Is it possible to fake engage on the healer or no?
yes sir.
Because
Yeah, we can.
we need to bait his dash out. We need to just
Yeah.
That's
bait
what
his
I'm
fucking
doing.
dash.
I
But
always dash pull at the healer so that I can bait his boots.
after the boots, we can easy kill him, bro.
we need to bait the boots. I don't know how though. Because if we wait the skills, then
Stalker.
everything
He's
is
using
on.
stalker shoes, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. So annoying la, putangin na mo. That healer.
O pwede. Polymorph engage. Gusto niyo? Para walang defensive. Pwede part.
Pre, may tinuro ata si Kellen dun sa team nila Pepengo. Pumunta siya doon.
Okay lang na may
So,
ituro. Pre, okay lang na may ituro. Hindi nga nakapalag eh. Gagi, kung sila kill na katapat natin siguro.
guys, bring Giganti potion ha.
Giga?
Bring Giganti. Yeah. I mean,
Refill
what
your
are you
Giga.
using at that time, bro? Use
I'm using
what
resistance.
potion you're using.
Refill your foods. And
I feel like
pots.
resistance better.
Just refill. And your food buff, bro.
Go, guys.
Everyone, ready? You guys ready? Let's go.
Yo guys, ready to claim our 56 million, okay?
Don't jinx it.
Look at their, ano.
We need to keep on focus.
Their only damage is Donsong, to Halberd.
They're gonna go anti-heal build to Halberd
Yeah.
and
They're, they're gonna
Everyone,
try
food buff, everyone, food buff. They mount up.
Wait.
Come. Pogi, why are you walking? Loko.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nagkaya
Not enough
na.
damage. Not enough
Huwag
damage.
niyo pagsabayin yung guardian helmet. Huwag niyo pagsabayin guardian helmet.
Oo, minsan na
Oo.
i-call natin kung magdadrop tayo even.
Sabi ka pag mag-drop yan, Judy, dismount now. Wait.
Wait. Polymer,
Wait.
pull down Polymer.
Wait
Pull
now.
down Polymer.
Wait, it's going to mark the healer.
Mark the healer, mark the healer.
Wait.
Wait. The fire is
No, I'm gonna walk in now. I'm gonna walk in now. Okay now. 3, 2, 1, drop now. Ah, shit. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my bad. Okay,
I drop it.
guys.
I dropped my helmet. I
I'm
dropped.
rolling the healer, I'm rolling the healer. I'm gonna drop Judy, another Judy. Oh, wait. Look at Chicharap, 3, 2, 1.
Relax,
Drop
mana.
now. Kill Chicharap. Kill him. Chicharap, kill him. Hold him. Don't let him skip. Oh, you don't have any, defensive. Okay, wait. 3,
Helmet me.
Two.
I'm bleeding too
1,
much.
drop now. Kill the healer. Wait,
Helmet niyo ako. Nice.
Kill the healer. I'm killing the healer. Go, kill the healer. Oh, wait, the healer. 4 seconds, we have engaged, 3, 2. Wait. Shit. Wait. What the fuck? 3. Yo, kill the healer. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the healer. Shit. What the fuck? Kill the healer. Kill inside Judy. Kill the healer, please. The healer. Don't let him skip. Keep rolling the healer. 6 seconds. 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the healer. Shit. Kill him. Almost die. Don't panic. Nice one. Kill them all now. Don't give them no mercy. Kill Petilog.
I don't have mana.
Nice one. Now kill the, Kill the fire staff. 3, 2, 1. Drop now.
Nice.
Kill the
Thank you,
healer. Now kill him. Kill him, Nabi. Kill him. Okay. Kill Pepengo.
Nice.
Kill Pepengo, 3 seconds. We have engaged at the back. Look at your back. 3,
You got.
2, 1. Drop now. Nice one. Nice kill. Go back now. Go back.
Sabi. Back.
Don't brawl too much. Go back, guys.
Kifi.
Go back now. Yeah, it's okay. Fine.
Reset
Just
mana.
go back.
Reset mana.
Reset. You need to pull down your mana. We go reset. Come, block Celox, come. This way, block Celox, this way. Now, let's go back again. Let's go. Go now. Come. Now, dismount here.
Oh.
Wait. One missing. Let's wait, Nabi.
Oh,
Wait. Just hold. Just roll first. Just roll now. Rolling. Wait. Now walk now. 3, 2, 1, drop now, drop now. Ah, shit. Sorry. Ah, shit. Wait. Shit. He was inside the Judy.
I thought-
9, 7 seconds. I have engaged. 7 seconds.
Helmet,
7
helmet.
seconds. I don't have yet. Kill teacher up.
I have Judy.
Kill teacher up. 3, 2. Drop now. Ah, shit. Oh, ba't mo. Sorry, my bad. Keep pressuring the healer. Keep pressuring the healer. Mana din. Okay. Inside us. 3. Wait. 3 seconds. Kill the Donsong. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the Donsong. Kill the motherfucking Donsong. You're gonna die, Donsong. Kill Donsong. Kill him. Giganti now.
May helmet?
Giganti now. I'm gonna kill inside the Judy. 6 seconds. We have engaged. Inside us. Look at the crown. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Inside us.
Nice.
Oh no, it's almost. Now kill teacher up. Kill teacher up. 10 seconds. We have engaged. 10 seconds. 9. Kill. Nice. All die. Okay, wipe them now. Have engaged, ha. Wipe them now. Kill hot dog. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill hot dog. You're gonna die, hot dog.
Nice. Dito.
Keep him mount up. Kill that guy. Can you hold the guy? Can you hold Pepengo? Can you hold him? Just hold him. Kill Pepengo. Don't let him skip. Nice one. Now go back. Mount up, everyone.
Reset
Mount
na.
up. Then we
Reset
go
na.
to
Reset na.
reset.
Reset mana.
Come.
Let's keep microwing them.
Yeah.
We need to have perfect. We need to have perfect.
Oh, come again. Pero rin Nabi. Huwag na sabihin yun, pre. Baka malaman ng kasama niya na na-cancel ka niya. Okay, come. Come now. Don't hit them. They are going to fight the choke, ah. Wait, don't give them a chance. Come here, come. Come this way. They have infernal sight. Let them come here. Hindi tayo susunod sa nila. Hindi tayo susunod sa chasya nila, pre. Sila susunod sa sayo natin.
Hindi kayo detective.
Tara.
Layo ko masyado.
Let them come. Okay, we are going to wait your cooldown. Just wait. Let them come.
They're going north.
Come, this way. Come to me. Look at the crow at the back. Nasa back yung crow nyo.
Pumalag sila.
Go back.
My bad.
Keep rolling. Okay, walk now. Walk to the healer. Okay, wait. The healer. Can you hold the healer? Can you hold him? Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Drop na. Kill the healer. Ah, shit. Hila. Nakatak. Wait. Kill inside the Judy. Kill Pepengo. We can kill Pepengo. You have engaged. Tell me if you engage. Tell me engage. Tell me engage.
Kailan? Ano?
I have engaged now. 3. Kill Petsilog. 3, 2, 1. Ah, shit. Kill Petsilog. Okay. Go. Kill them. Kill Petsilog. Kill him.
Nice.
Okay, now, bro. Now. 3 seconds. I have engaged. Inside us. 3,
Helmet yun.
1. Drop na inside us. Ah, shit. Sorry. Bakit?
May helmet kayo dyan?
Kill Petsilog. Okay, kill Petsilog. Inside the Judy. Kill inside the Judy. Okay, I will engage. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Drop now.
Silox, mana. Silox.
Kill teacher up. Walk now. Walk to teacher up. Look at the crown. 6 seconds. We have engaged. 3. You have engaged. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Sorry. Keep rolling that teacher up. Keep rolling, 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 keep rolling. 7
Mana,
seconds,
Silas?
7 seconds, 7 seconds. 7 seconds, 7 seconds. Heal inside the Judy, heal inside the Judy. 3, 2, 1, drop na inside us. Now walk with them. Walk now. Feed them all. Don't let them skip. Feed that guy, feed the low, finish the low. Giganti now. Don't give them a chance. Giganti. Okay, keep damaging. Okay, I have engaged now. You guys ready? Inside us. 3, 2, wait. Okay, keep rolling. 3, 2, 1, side me. Keep rolling.
Nice.
No, keep tissues. Okay. Keep the healer. Wait. 3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds. Inside us. 3, 2, 1, inside us. Kill inside
Nice one,
us. Kill inside us. Kill them all. Don't let them escape. Wait. Nice hold.
Kaya ko na. Okay.
It's
Mas
7
madami
seconds.
sa mga
We have engaged. 7 seconds. 3. Wait. Okay. Abulin nyo yung nasa harap niya. Abulin yan. Wait. Mount up. Bane. You can mount up, Bane. You can. Just keep mount up. You're gonna die.
Nice
Mount up, everyone.
one. Nice
Reset.
one.
Mount up, everyone. Mount up, everyone.
Champions.
Come to reset. We go reset. Come, guys. Come to the HO.
Reset.
Come into the camp. Reset now. Reset.
Reset pa rin natin yan.
Come.
Reset pa rin. Yan.
Come now. After the reset, come.
Ulit.
Big balls, everyone. Big balls. Okay, dismount now. Dismount, guys. Dismount.
Big ball.
Just wait. Dismount now, Kipi. Dismount now. Wait. Just walk with me. Okay, wait.
Nahabol ko ng polymorph.
Wait, spread now. Give me a good spread. Okay, just keep rolling. Now, walk now. 3, 2, 1, drop now. Keep it up. Oh, shit. Okay, go. Kill this guy. Okay, wala na. Kill him. Now, use your giganti. Kill him. Wait now. 3 seconds. We have engaged. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Drop now. Go back now. We don't have no. Go back. Kite first. Everyone kite. Look at the crown. Okay, we have engaged ha. Wait. 3 seconds, we have engaged. Kill hotdog. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill them all. Okay, don't walk to the fire. Keep rolling. Nabi.
Stuck na.
Wait. Heal inside Judy. 6 seconds, we have engaged. Engage now. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Sabi kayo sa amin. Kill them now. Kill this guy. Kill long range. Kill the low one. Kill him. Finish the kill. Nice one. 2 seconds, we have engaged. Inside 3, 2, 1. Drop now. If you have. Now kill them all. Now walk now. Kill HTML. Kill him. Okay. Kill the healer. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Wait. Now walk now. Kill the healer. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Nice one. Now kill them all. Kill this guy. Petsilog. Okay. Kill that guy. Go chase him. Don't let him run. Kill him.
Sorry, Bing.
Now come again. We go reset. We are going to come. Hey, boss. Now we go reset, bro. Look at the mana of Nabi.
We just say...
We need go reset. Come.
We just say mana,
Come,
but we just buy
come.
time. We just say mana, but it's just time. Say look,
No, come to me guys. Come.
you know we kind of play dirty, you know. A win is
Okay,
a win.
dismount. Tell me your cooldown. Ignore
Wait,
that guy, ignore that guy, ignore
okay,
that guy.
he's very dismal.
Ignore that
Can
guy.
you get one hit? Yeah.
Ignore that guy. We'll just keep rolling the clothy, ah. Just keep rolling the clothy. Wait now. Just hold now.
Hold.
Let them
Don't.
come.
Mhm.
Let them come. Oy, don't cap, bro.
We're not capping.
Oy, spread guys. Keep spreading. Okay, I'm gonna walk, ah. I'm gonna walk now. I'm going to walk now. I'm gonna walk them now. Already use it, ah. Teacher up, ah. Look at teacher up. 3, 2, 1. Drop now, teacher up. Drop now. Keep teacher up.
Nice!
Kill him. Use your Giganti now. Giganti, use your Giganti. Okay, magtipid sa Giganti. Marami tayong Giganti. Now, keep rolling. I have engaged now. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Ah, shit. Nakubiran. Okay, walk now. Keep it up. I don't have yet. Now, brawl the fire stop. Ah, shit.
Roll.
Go back. Guys, go back. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. If you have, drop now. Now, head back, guys. Head back.
We got it.
Head back. Kite now. Keep kiting. You have engaged. 3.
Yeah.
I die.
10 seconds mo.
Okay, run.
Go back now. Run.
They keep
Hold on,
continuing
hold on,
with
hold on.
round with knock up and
Pre, unahin natin yung pag nakikita yung naluluka agad yung yung clothy nila. Kasi yung healer nasustain niya sarili niya eh.
ako, lagi ko pinopolymorph yung clothy nila, yung fire staff para di
Oo,
ma-drop
nakikita mo yung fire stop. Saglit lang. Pag nadrapan natin ay ipatay agad yun. Tingnan nyo, amin natin yung pre. Kasi alam nila, binabrawl natin yung healer eh. I-pressure lang na muna natin sila.
Lagi ko pinopolymorph yung fire staff
Okay,
nila
everyone,
para
mount up.
di ka madrapan ng
Kulang tayo.
Wait, let's wait Nabi.
Wait na, wait.
Wait, just hold. Hold here. Kipi, hold mo lang yung healer nila. I'm gonna brawl the Donsong ha.
I think last fight everyone was doing whatever.
Sa
I mean, I
loob
was-
natin, sa loob ba? Sa loob ba gusto nyo mag...
nag-root bound
Okay,
ako,
okay.
huwag kayong dumaan sa gitna ko. Laging kinakancel. Kanina pa.
Sige.
Sige. Wait.
Keep
You
it.
have cooldown. How do you have cooldown? Okay, walk now. Inside that. Wait. After the After this Heal inside the Judy. Heal inside the Judy. 3. Inside that. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Drop now. Kill them. Now walk now. Spread. This will be gigante if you have. Okay, they are getting low. 8 seconds, we have engaged. Keep rolling. Okay, keep rolling. Oh, sila. Inside us. Go run now. 3, 2, 1, drop now. Drop. Ah, you don't have healer anymore.
Kanina, dalawang albed nila.
Bro,
Binabrawl ako ng
Silok,
dalawang
can you go to what we call this? Black Monk.
Naka-bloodletter yung
We
isa
are going
sa
to
kanila.
clap inside. We are going to clap inside.
Gusto niya magpalit
Just
ako.
brawl the keep rolling the
Hindi. Wait.
We're going to
Lagi
brawl the
kinacancel
the clothy, the fire stop. I mean the Donsong. Tama ka sa amin, Nabi. Brawl natin yung fire stop. Kasi pag nakita ka nilang nakadikit ka sa amin, magkukumpulan sila din sa iyo. Ikaw din hinahanap nila eh.
Sabi.
Magkukumpulan din sila, pre. di ba, hinahabol ka nila. O kaya si, si Led. Punta lang kayo dun sa fire stop, pre. Punta lang kayo sa
Oo,
fire
punta
stop.
lang
Ibuburst natin sila dun mismo. Sa Donsong.
Itay kang sarili
Ibuburst
ko.
natin sila dun. Pero huwag kayong dumaan sa gitna namin, Led mismo. Sa gilid-gilid ka lang, ah.
Sige, sige. Pogi, yung skill
Imamicro
mo,
natin sila.
kilain mo ako kung dahin ako masyado.
Sige.
Black Celox, dismount.
Focus lang ako kay Ed, tsaka i-cleanse ko lang siya.
Sige, sige.
Okay, come.
Dalawang kasi
Wait,
halberd
wait.
nila. Tapos Donsong Dadlete. Nagro-roll sa akin.
Can you mark the, no? Can you mark the
Dito tayo
Donsong?
sa
Can you mark
ubus
the
kanina.
Donsong?
Don't clamp, don't clamp.
Kilamer, ah. Kilamer, ah. Wait now. Okay, walk now, walk now, walk to them, walk to them. Okay, to this guy. 3, 2, 1. Drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now. Kill this guy, kill this motherfucker. Look at his HP, look at his HP. Now walk now, walk now. Heal inside the Judy, heal inside the Judy. Now keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.
Yung ang layo mo!
3 seconds we have engaged. 3 seconds we have engaged. 3 seconds we have engaged. 3 seconds. Inside us. 3, 2, 1. Drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now, drop. Kill them all, kill them all inside. Kill them all, kill them all. Wait, wait. Kill them, kill them, kill them, kill them. Finish the low, finish the low. Finish the low, finish the low, finish the low. Giganti now, giganti now. Finish the low, finish the low, finish the low, finish the low, finish the low. What the fuck? Finish the low, finish the low. Finish the low. 3. Wait. Inside us. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Inside us, inside us, inside us, inside us, inside us. This guy, this guy. Wait, wait now, wait now. Wait, keep rolling, keep rolling. Wait. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Inside us.
Pinax mana.
Okay. Wait now, wait now. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Inside us. 3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds, we have engaged. 3 seconds. Inside the Judy, inside the Judy. Look at Tixius, just Tixius. 3, 2, 1. Drop now, drop now. Gosh, what the fuck? What you guys do? Ba't yung tinapsik? Now, pause now, pause now. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Keep rolling. Just drop your E, yan na, drop ka na, ano. Nabi, drop ka na, Nabi, drop ka na. Drop ka na, Nabi. Nice. Inside us, 3, 2, 1. Now, drop 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 now. Now, walk with them, walk with them, walk now, walk now, walk now, walk now, walk now, walk now, walk now. Walk now, walk now, walk now. Now, kill the blood letter, kill the blood letter, kill the blood letter. Okay, wait now, kill the blood letter, kill the blood letter. 3, wait, 3, 3, 2, 1. Drop now, drop now, drop now, drop now. Kill them all, kill them all, kill them all, kill them all, kill them all. Nice one, kill them all, kill them all. Now walk them. Now,
Oh my god.
kill that guy, kill that guy, kill that guy. I want that guy, I want that guy. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him. Don't let him escape. I have engaged. 3, 2,
That's on
1.
him.
Drop your E now,
Yes.
drop your E now, drop your E now, drop your E now, drop your E now. Okay, drop your E now. Okay, go back guys, go back. Go back now. They have already responded.
Nice one, Evil. You guys, everyone.
I think we're gonna take
Okay.
the bag.
Wait,
Guys, you wanna go AFK? You guys wanna go AFK for 2 minutes?
no bro, don't cap that. Come to me, come this way. Come here. We're going to top up.
Go
We don't
back
have
to
mana
base.
yet, we don't have mana. No,
Back to
bro.
base.
We're
Invite
gonna top
him.
up.
Wait,
Fight.
keep rolling. Don't dismount that guy. Okay, I'm gonna walk to the fire. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the fire stop. Look at his HP. Now heal inside the Judy. I'm gonna drop Judy. Okay, heal inside Judy. Kill the fire stop. You have engaged. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Ah, shit. Almost die. Use your Giganti. Now walk with them now. Kill them. Tell me your cooldown, Tell me your cooldown, guys. Tell me your cooldown. 3, fire stop. 3, 2, 1. Drop now. Kill the fire stop. Kill the fucking fire stop. Kill this nigga. We're gonna die. Okay, drop now, drop, dami, drop now, drop now. Okay, now,
Healer down,
kite now. Keep kiting, kite now, right now. 6 seconds, 6 seconds, we are engaged. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. Don't run. Okay, inside us, 3, 2, 1, drop now, inside us. Okay, wait now. Keep kiting. Kite now. Use your gigantic you have. Use your gigantic you have. Nice one. Keep them all. Now keep rolling. 3 seconds, 7 engage. 2 seconds, 7 engage. Inside me. Look at the 3, 2, 1, drop now, drop. Kill that guy. Kill Pepengo. Kill nice one. Kill the fire stop. No mercy. There's no GG. Nice one, Nabi. Baka Nabi yan. Upal na Nabi. Okay, let's go to the comms.
Let's
Nice
claim-
guys, everyone.
Let's claim.
Nice one, guys.